Can't believe the first abandoned place that we're properly going to on the channel is Jimmy Savile's old house. Pretty sure there's a lot I probably can't show you here. Probably going to need to bleep a lot of it out. Yeah, let's get here. This will be my view of the night. There's the wee white house. The wee famous white house. So we're actually coming up to another famous house for all the wrong reasons. So before we cover the next part of the video, I want to give credit and appreciation to the man that previously occupied this house, Dr Hamish MacInnes. Dr Hamish MacInnes was regarded as a true pioneer in the mountain rescue community, being recognised as having developed modern mountain rescue in Scotland. He invented the world's first all-metal ice axe, short axe, as well as a lightweight foldable alloy stretcher called the MacInnes stretcher, that's used by mountain rescue teams all over the world to this day. Sadly, however, in 2020, Dr Hamish MacInnes sadly passed away at the grand old age of 90, leaving behind an impressive legacy followed by millions all around the world. A week after I visited the site, the outbuildings in the house were set on fire, which led to the decision from the new owners to demolish the cottage and outbuildings. Fortunately, the owners of the cottage have been given planning permission to rebuild a new house on the land, and the outbuildings where Dr MacInnes worked on his creations is to be redeveloped as an ancillary dwelling named Hamish House. I can't believe the first abandoned place that we're properly going to on the channel is Jimmy Savile's old house. What the hell am I doing, man? Pretty sure there's a lot I probably can't show you here. Probably going to need to bleep a lot of it out. Just glass everywhere. Jesus. Well, don't know if you can see that, but there's just a random bed in here. Yeah, let's get here. There was a random mattress in there, and right in the back room. Imagine this was your house. Look at that. For a view. It's just totally been ruined. And destroyed, and quite rightly so. It's that way I don't even want to go in. What? We love and miss you, Uncle Jimmy. Okay. What the hell? This was his bathroom. Literally stinks of piss in there. Oh, it's a pure horrible feeling in here. There's a fireplace. Didn't expect Jimmy Savile's house to be on the Glencoe tour. I didn't expect it to be the first abandoned place we've done as well. And then we've got big double doors, giving you a big view to that. What a view. Right, let's get out here because it's just clatty. Right, let's get out here. Ooh, it's disgusting. Plus there's glass everywhere. I literally just seen it with the corner of my eye when I was driving. I feel like I need a wash after being in there. And the funny thing is, the park up's literally just down the road. I was actually going to do a drone shot there, but do you know what? I've spent enough footage and time on that place. A drone shot's too good for it. I'm not getting it anymore. I've obviously seen it on the news as well, but it's a different thing being in there. So where I want to go is here, but it's looking rather busy. This is a decent park up, but it says no overnight camping due to rockfall. So I don't know whether we just stay and see what happens. Have a look at this. That's stunning, isn't it? I'd love to park here, but it's just a tourist trap. This isn't going to cut it, I don't think. The Three Sisters aren't going to cut it. Shame as well. So Glencoe's been a bit of a bust, if I'm being honest, for trying to find somewhere to park, but I guess that's what happens with years and years of van life tourism, innit? Everywhere's just like no overnight camping, blah blah blah. However, I did manage to find this wee car park, and this is overnight camping. So I think the night I'm just going to chill because I've just been driving about, I've been running about. I've got a craving for a prawn oval bite, so I think I'm going to make one of them. Something quick and easy. But I'll be honest, where I am's not too shabby. It's a nice wee park up, so I'm going to get in the back and get everything ready for chilling. So I did say the place wasn't too shabby. Let's see this. This will be my view of the night. Sort the brief out. Do you know what? We'll go with the front because the back view is a lot better, so we'll keep the back view. Get some privacy in this bit. Shine some light on the matter. That's rubbish. Oh, it's coming down. And the only reason why I'm covering those windows up is because there's campers at that side, plus the scenery's back there, so I'd rather look at that. Let's get the bread. We'll try one of the MRE chocolate brownies. Chocolate brownie. Give me the prawn cocktail, cucumber, and the spinach, or the baby rocket. There is a lot of tourists that come. That's the second tour bus that's pulled up. And I was talking to the driver, and he was telling me places to go in Skye and stuff like that. Apparently that wee white house is one of the most photographed houses. Anyway, I'm starving. My plan is a prawn salad oval bite. Been craving these all day. I'm going to cut a few bits anyway because I want to eat a bit of cucumber. Get some greens in me. Prawn mayonnaise cocktail on first. Lovely. Put this in here. I would have made these ahead of time as well, but I didn't want them to be soggy. And let's go with the rocket salad. It's already washed and stuff, so I don't need to wash it. Get in my belly. With the cucumber, I'm going to cut it so it's easier to go into the sandwich. I love cucumber. So prawns, baby rocket, lettuce, cucumber, and a bit of pepper. Aye, it's got to get messy. And I get to eat it looking at a view like that. I'll take this one first since it's looking like it's falling apart. Oh, that's lovely. I was going to go for king prawns. I thought maybe it was just too much prawn versus bread consistency and stuff, so this was a smart choice. This was the best option. I'm going to enjoy this while I enjoy that, so I'll catch you in a bit. Bye. Dinner was magnifique, so I'm going to have a wee bit of this chocolate brownie. Can't remember if I had one on the North Coast. Can't remember. Let's try it. You'll probably notice I always smell things before I eat it. I don't know why. It's all broken up inside it. I'll tell you something. Soldiers are eating better than ammo. And I can go to the shop every day, unlike them. I'm going to put it down there about another bit. I was going to put it down, but I want another bit. We should be at Glencoe, but there just wasn't anywhere to park, and the place that I wanted to park, we'd need a 4x4 to do it. I wasn't taking a chance, especially with my fuel tank and stuff. That's kind of gutting because I was quite excited to go there. Oh. But where we are the night just is cool. I'm only going to stay here the night and then move on tomorrow. I want to take a day off and I want it to be somewhere that I can set my music speakers up, because like I said on the North Coast 500, you need to take breaks. I don't want to burn myself out because I've been throwing the drone up left, right and centre and getting a lot of footage, so I just want to take some time. Also as well, just so that I can get a change of clothes and get a wash and feel a bit more fresher after being in that manky house. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the diesel heater on and I'm going to finish editing one of the episodes that I was doing yesterday, try and arrange all the footage for today and the drone footage. And tomorrow, because we're ahead of schedule with the itinerary, I think we'll go to Loch Achtriochtan and have a wee scout there and see what it's like. If I like it there, I'll pitch up there for a couple of days before we head on up to the Isle of Skye. If not, I'll just find somewhere up there. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it a wrap on the episode tonight. So if you enjoyed the episode, guys, why not drop it a wee like and let me know in the comments. And let me know places that you think I should go and see. If you haven't already, why not get subscribed and hit that bell notification. We are on the road to see Isle of Skye. Truth be told, the reason why I'm going is to get music done. But I'm really excited to go and see the Old Manor Store, and I've seen it in the film Prometheus, and I've just been dying to go up ever since I saw that they filmed it in the Isle of Skye. If you want to see it, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm no well. My main concern's getting better. I'm going to get the head done and then see how I am in a couple of hours.